my channel. Today I'm doing the reverse makeup tutorial. As you can see, I'm really into challenges these days, so I just really wanted to do this. So basically it is what it sounds like. You have to do your entire face of makeup in reverse. So the last thing comes first. Very interesting, Bhairavi, that's definitely not gonna work. Well, we can at least try, right? I saw Tati Westbrook do this first, so I mean, I had to do it. Let's get into it. So the last thing that I do to my eyes is put on mascara, and before that, I curl my eyelashes. So I'm gonna be curling them post mascara. But this actually is a good trick. I had this friend who had like really bomb lashes. Okay, her lashes would touch her eyebrows like that, but normally they were not that long. So what she would do is put one coat of mascara, then curl her lashes and then put it again. So it's kind of like double curling. It worked for her. So it doesn't matter if I'm doing my makeup in the correct order, I'm always gonna make the mascara mistake. Now let's curl them. Oh my god, they're not even fitting in the mascara. Ugh, the mascara is like aligned. I feel like it's the same as combing wet hair. Did that make any difference? So I've been sick and I came from a doctor's appointment, so I'm really oily because of the weather. Next thing that I do is put on a lip piece. Gonna do that. I guess I've just put on some lip balm. Kylie Jenner Rosy Lip Liner. Oh, but wait! This is the reverse makeup tutorial, so even the lip is gonna be in reverse. I was gonna do a lip gloss. So this is the Victoria's Secret Lip Plumper in Bombshell Pink. No, I don't want to put on lip liner on top of this. Very nice, very subtle and natural, right? This could be a whole makeup look if you're just going to the store or whatever, but I'm gonna put on lip liner on top of this. Great! I hope I don't ruin this. Oh my god, I don't want to do this! Okay. Oh, okay. Ew. This is a disgusting... This is such a disgusting feeling. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. No color came on the actual lip. I did cover it, okay? The entire tip is like glossy. Ugh. Let's see how it performs now. Still performed good, I mean... That's how much gloss was on it. Highlighter is my next step that I love to do. So I've really been into having fun with makeup, and I would highly appreciate it if you all would send me some requests, some challenges. I kind of want to do a dares video where I do your dares, so would you just send me like a bunch of dares? Nothing too over the top though, because I'm a big photo. I'm highlighted. I use my Savannah Colors highlighter only. I'm putting a bit extra so that at least some of it peeps through. Let's not forget, we're going to be putting liquid products on top of powder products, which is the most disgusting thing ever to me. I don't get disgusted by like poop, jokes, trash smell or whatever, but I get disgusted if you talk about popping a pimple or something like that. I really do. Now I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer because that's what I do. This is going to be... We'll try to make it work, okay? What I'm scared about is the foundation thing, how that's gonna get ruined. That will ruin my entire look. So this is how you will look if you do makeup without any foundation. Feel like makeup really blends in very beautifully with your natural oils and natural skin. I really like the look of makeup on naked skin. I really do. Like, look at this blush and everything. It's just so beautiful. I like it. I don't like wearing foundation, to be honest. Oh no, blush. Let's do blush. It's all butterflies right now, okay? Wait when I apply the foundation. That's gonna be the real struggle. Right now it's like, yeah, I'm doing a natural makeup look, whatever. So you guys, by the way, I wanted to talk to you about this. Do you see that I'm doing like I'm doing different kinds of videos now? I've only done 2 though, but actually 1. My videos are more content centered, okay? I want good content. It does not matter if it really is the trending thing. I care about the content. It should be good, but sometimes, because a lot of the trending things are what I'm doing right now, but it's fun to do, it's fun to try, it's like a nice challenge, right? So that's fun. So that's why I kind of want to have fun now, but don't worry, content is not running anywhere because that is the core of me. About the brows, I do a brow gel in the end, but right now I'm gonna do it first. Also, since it's summers, I kind of want to take the, like, I want to utilize the light that we get now and kind of do makeup tutorials like this. Let me know if it works, and if the outside sounds are bothering you during editing. I didn't feel it was as much, but like, let me know. Okay, so I'm doing brows on top of my brow gel. That's gonna be interesting. Guys, I feel like as I'm getting older, I'm losing brow hairs. Why do people honk so much in India, man? Like, without any purpose. This went well. Again, the tip is very greasy now, but that's the eyes. Now, people, we're getting to that part. So first, but first, we gotta do the eyeshadow, because I do that, and I don't like to put on any eyeliner anyway, so that's not gonna be an issue. Now, if you guys watched my previous video where I tried to copy Kylie Jenner's makeup tutorial, I learned to use the Hoola bronzer as like a transition shade, and I loved it. So I'm gonna do that. Oh wait, but I gotta do the last step, the first step last. So yeah, that's fine, that's fine. This is gonna be on the bottom lashes. That just blended it really nicely. That's very pretty, right? Not that bad. But you know what, guys? The issue is I put my foundation even on my eyes so that it's the same shade and my eyes get mattified. So it's about to get ruined. I'm gonna take my translucent powder and just ruin my entire makeup. Okay. Even now, I feel like it looks fine. The excess shine is gone and my makeup just is automatically blended really well. And I can go out the house right like this. Like, I would be able to go out the house, but now is the real struggles. Put on the foundation, then I conceal. So I'm gonna conceal first with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I don't go too low as like Kylie did in my previous video. If you've not watched that, by the way, you can do that from the link down below or even right here. There's a lot of information in the information box down below. You can see an arrow at the bottom. Click it and they'll be like any extra information that I want you to know. Okay? This is how I conceal if I don't want to wear any foundation, by the way. Why am I even teaching you anything right now? Oh, even now it looks great. Good job. Now let's ruin it. So I use my BCC cream from Troy REK, and underneath it I use a yellow color corrector to match it. Done. You know what though, guys, some makeup artists actually do a lot of these things underneath the foundation so that it's very subtle and only a little bit of the highlight and the bronzing is seen, you know, a little bit of it is shown through. And then I also do this over my eyes, so whatever is left oh my god. Okay, that's it. That's all I do. Okay, in usual life also, that's all I do. Okay. Now my entire face is gonna be oily. Let's see. I think I'll be able to save it because like you just blend it, right? I feel like makeup is all about the blending, you know? So this is my reverse makeup tutorial. I have ended up being a grease ball because of no powder, and although I really like the highlighter, I did put extra highlight on my cheekbone so that it peeks through and it worked. Bronzer is nowhere to be seen. My eyeshadow is still a bit, it's okay. It's like now my eyeshadow looks like a base color and super duper greasy, but I think it's good. Oh, what's happening with my nose? But yeah, not bad actually. Of course, I won't be going out though in this because this will not last a long time because there's a lot of layering and it's gonna get cakey in a bit. I really want to do a dares video, guys, so please write in some dares and even truths in the bottom bar below. I want to play truth or dare with you all, so send me all your questions. A truth or dare, just keeping in mind the line, don't cross the line, nothing too crazy, whatever, you know, like just be, what do you call it? Be civil about it, be normal about it, don't go crazy. Make sure to write that in. Subscribe to this channel if you like this video and would you like to see more of such videos. You can see other videos that I've done recently right here. I followed Kylie Jenner's makeup tutorial and I reviewed the Vibe EP into Shreya Jain makeup thing, first Indian YouTuber to have a beauty product. I reviewed that right here on the screen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye till then.